Introducing InfraEdge, a collection of innovative cloud apps and solutions. At our startup, we have servers running 24/7. Now, you can launch your own custom app of your choice on our servers. Choose any template from a list of special services, or any app of your choice from Docker Hub. It can be a database, a developer tool, a productivity, or a monitoring tool you want to explore, or a website or a web app you want to host. The possibilities are endless. We know how hard it is to deploy apps on our own. First, you need to learn Docker, Linux commands, how virtualization works, how to set up cloud, learn complex things about some cloud website, not to mention the really expensive costs of spinning up instances, be it AWS, GCP, or Linode.
And after doing all those things, you still have to suffer downtimes or log out for running sessions due to fear of prices.
Don't you wish you could just spin up an app quickly and cheaply, keep it running forever, and have the ability to access it from anywhere, anytime, from any device via your own personal domain? This is where we come in. You name it, we deploy it. You don't even have to do it yourself. We take on the whole process at your request. This could be anything. Say you want to deploy a new blog, a website, a dynamic web app, or a program script interface. Here is my friend Prathamesh. He wants to keep a Python program that he built running forever. He doesn't want to rerun it every time he starts his computer to show it off to his friends, or use the program for himself, or waste effort in installing new packages, setting up a virtual environment, or opening his code editor. It takes him a lot of time to do that, and he still has to carry around his laptop with him every time for it. With InfraEdge, he can simply install and run the program only once, or tell us to do it for him, and then easily access it even from his mobile or from any other computer without needing his code files and setup, using the same URL domain. All he needs is an internet connection, or if he wants to do things himself, he could even host his own personal code server using InfraEdge and access it and run programs on it anytime he wants from anywhere.
And when he wants to make changes to his websites or update some stuff, he can simply use a backend solution to push changes in real time. If he wants to install and update things with a single click, he can simply send us a request by contacting us, and his app will be served by us with no extra effort from his side. Let's say he now wants to manually build and deploy his JavaScript web app. He might go to Vercel or opt for the free tier. However, he can only use it for front-end stuff. He will still have to pay a lot to use back-end stuff like databases. The prices can quickly get out of hand if he wants to scale up, and he is still limited by the complex ecosystem with a steep learning curve. However, with InfraEdge, he can easily explore a wide variety of apps on an alternative platform on our servers to host his services with zero downtime and customize with much more freedom. He has the freedom to experiment with both front end and back end, no restrictions with fixed stacks, and complete control over his preferences. We have configured the software to host multiple web apps on our servers so that you, the user, gets full manual control and ease of use. Under our company domain, you get access to all our services. Every new user gets his own personal subdomains, secured and made fully private via an innovative solution known as a Cloudflare tunnel. And along with your own personalized app requests, you can also get to explore and use a collection of special AI workflow tools that we already have on our servers. You get all of this for only 199 rupees per month. But wait, there's more. If you join us today itself, or anytime before the 1st of March 2025, you get free access to our monthly educational material bundle, a detailed curated collection of all beginner-friendly templates for getting started with Linux, virtualization, cloud computing, basic DevOps, and much more. You will receive new templates on these topics every month of your subscription. We spent months trying to learn virtualization for our servers, with countless hours spent on YouTube tutorials, trials, and errors. We understand how demotivating it is when a student begins to learn Linux only to find no use of it in his daily life, no direction for experimenting project ideas, and immense difficulty in understanding concepts. This is why we are also offering free access to our servers as bonuses for early customers who can spin up Linux instances, play around with stuff, and try out deployment steps on their own using our main server software. Become proficient, boost your portfolio, and upgrade your DevOps skills. We will guide you on your journey. And by now, if you're still not sure, we provide a free trial on our servers for 10 days and a full money back guarantee. If at any point you feel that you are not getting what you want, have no fear, we promise a full refund. Win win, right? So, what are you waiting for? Hurry up and secure a spot as a special user before our servers cross full capacity. Think big, think secure, think InfraEdge.